What's going on, my people? Today I am going to show you what I did in the stock market. Um, for some reason, most of the companies that I like to trade were not going up. In fact, as soon as we opened, or as soon as the market opened, most of the companies like AMD, Apple, companies like this, they were just heading down. So I decided to try different companies until I bumped into Uber, and Uber was kind of following the cues, but at some point it kind of started doing its own thing. And I noticed that even though it was up before the market opened, it had dropped a little bit, 10 minutes after it started coming back up, and then it dropped. So, but every time it would come back up, it looked like it was coming back up higher and higher and higher, just like steps. You know what I mean? So Uber had good news yesterday, and because normally when a company has good news or bad news, that kind of helps, or it doesn't. The opposite for a day or two, sometimes 3 days. After that, if there's no good news or no news at all, then the price kind of, it does its own thing. So of course I paid attention to that today, and Uber was going up. And actually, after I made my money here, Uber um, kept going up, 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 higher. So um, I'm going to show you exactly what I did, just to show you guys what happened. Okay, the volume here. I'm gonna jump in right now. I decided to go with 20 cents brackets. Basically, from the point from the price that I get in, I want my computer or the broker to sell my stuff once I hit 20 cents profit, or if the price goes up 20 cents. Okay, so you got to multiply 20 cents times 3,000 shares, which is what I have here. As you can see, I got in when I got in at 25.96. Actually, that's a mistake. I usually like to do, if I'm going to go for 20 cents, I should have done it like when it was at 25.70, 25.75. Why? Because sometimes when the price is going up, in this case, let's say once it would reach 26, it would kind of hit resistance, obviously, and the price would kind of drop. And then it looks like it did it again, and it dropped. Eventually, luckily for me, I think after trying a couple of times, the price went 26.10 and then 26.14, and then the price just kept going up. But keep that in mind. Okay, when you are about to hit an even number like 26 or 22 or 46, 50, keep that in mind that the price might not go further than that. Okay, or wait until the price goes higher than that and jump in, or jump in. If you want 20 cents, obviously do it before you hit that number. Okay, well, I use 20 brackets, so I set up my brackets to hit or to sell my stuff before. In this case, I should have bought before it hit 26, but I waited too long and I took the chance, and luckily it went on. This trade went on my way or on my side, and I was able to make money. But this is all I wanted to show you guys. Right here, the volume was good. Obviously, momentum was good, and that's why I jumped in. Uh, why did I go with 3,000? Because I only wanted 20 cents, right? I just want the price. As soon as I get it, I want to get out after I hit 20 cents. But why do that? Well, because the market is, I don't trust the market. The market is, it's constantly selling off. So I don't want to stay in the market for too long. All I want is 20 cents and I'm done. Sometimes it's 30 cents and I'm done. So if you haven't paid attention, that's basically how I trade. Sometimes I go with 500 shares and then I go for $1. If I know that this company usually goes $1, $2, $3 in one day and then it comes down another $2. Then I use 500 shares and I go with $1 profit. So as you can see, I put my yellow arrow to remind me that, hey, the price is starting to hit resistance here. So keep an eye on it. And, I was ready to sell my stuff because I felt that maybe the price is not going to go higher than this. Like I said, luckily the price came back and tried again, and it came down. You see that? Then he tried again, and this time, boom! Let me show you again. Boom! So that's what I'm talking about, guys. And this doesn't happen when the numbers are in the 20s or 30s. It happens, at any number. There's always going to be resistance. I mean, price is not going to go up all the time for the entire day. Yes, it happens once in a while, but it's just not. That's not the way things work. So, as you can see in the background, the price just kept going up, 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 and I could have made more money. But I had a number in my mind. I said, I just want 20 cents. Usually, or lately, I've been trying to get $500 out of the market. If I can get $500 out of the market, I'm good for the day. Okay. Once the market gets happy, basically when the economy turns around and the market is bullish and people are invested, then I'll go back into, putting more shares and going with 50 cents or at a dollar profit, whatever. Usually I'll make a little bit more money. But now, just got to stay low and just be aggressive protecting my money. And you should be doing the same. All right, guys, if you have any questions, let me know. If you like the video, boop, boop. If you don't like the video, if you made money today in the market, let me know which company you used, what number you got in, what number you got out, and tell me what you were thinking when you placed that that position or that trade. All right. Talk to you later, guys. Take care. Bye bye.